Hi guys, it's Ian at Global Air Supplies. We've got some great news. Global Air Supplies are now the exclusive distributor of Optic Foliar. Optic Foliar has been around in the industry for years. It's a Canadian-based company, and what it does is offers a full range of foliar sprays from veg all the way to flower. It offers a bug spray, it offers photosynthesis sprays, it offers a full range so you can pick which product you want to use throughout the whole grow period of your plant. Let me introduce Overgrow from Optic Foliar. This is probably the best, most sold foliar spray on the market by far. It comes in a 1 litre ready to use, an RTU, but it also comes in a 4 litre refillable can. It's a great all-in-one product to use from the beginning, from your seedlings, all the way up to around about 4 or 5 weeks into flower. It's a lights on spray, so it means you can spray with the lights on because it's got transport in here, which allows everything within Overgrow to be taken into the plant really, really quickly. You use it to prevent deficiencies within the plant. So if you see any deficiencies, you're actually feeding with a foliar spray directly into the plant, and like I've said, the transport gets everything in there. So Overgrow is a full NPK foliar spray. It's got all the macronutrients, it's got B1, it's got amino acids, it's got sugars in there, and again the transport gets all that goodness into the plant, stops any deficiencies, it stops mold, prevents bugs. It's a great product to use all the way up to 6 weeks of flower. It leaves no residue on the plant, and the transport in the bottle gets everything deep into that leaf. Use Overgrow 3 to 4 times a week, all the way up to the 6th week of flower. It will increase light uptake and general health of all your plants. By using Overgrow from start to finish, you're going to get tremendous results. Let me talk about Switch from Optic Foliar. This is an RTU, so it's a ready-to-use liquid, so you don't dilute it in water first, and you only need to add 10 ml of transport to this to get the product into the plant through the leaves really, really quickly. Well, you use Switch in the first 2 weeks of flower. You all know when you initiate flowering by switching your plants to 12-12, you want to get them into flower as quick as humanly possible, and that's what Switch does. You bang it on the plants, first 2 weeks of flower, 3 to 4 times a week. It's going to initiate those flowering sites, it's going to shorten those nodes, and it's going to send the plant into flower really, really quickly. So Switch is a flower initiator. So what Switch is going to do, you use it for the first 2 weeks of flower. You add 10 ml of transport to the product, so you dilute this directly into a spray can, add 10 ml of transport, and that's going to get the product into the leaf really, really quickly. It's going to initiate those flowering sites, it's going to shorten those nodes and give your plant an all good, healthy feel. It's going to push it into the bloom stage really, really quickly. That means you're going to get a quicker flowering stage, more flower sites, more flowers, bigger yields. What Switch will do, it will stop your plant from creating seeds, so it will keep it into a feminized state, trigger the flowering sites, shorten the nodes, and generally increasing the yield of a plant. It will increase the flowering sites and also decrease the flowering stage, so you're going to crop a lot quicker by using Switch. One of the best selling products in the Optic Foliar range is Transport. Transport is one of the best wetting agents you can get on the market by far. It's not only a wetting agent, but it allows you to spray with lights on, because what it does, it opens up the leaf, gets everything in the leaf really, really quickly. The leaf closes up behind it and it doesn't have a chance to burn the leaf or cause you any issues whatsoever. You can use it with pesticides, so if you've got a pesticide and you want to get it into the leaf really, really quickly, use Transport. If you're using other foliar sprays, you can use Transport as well. Add it to the foliar sprays. Again, you can then lights on spray, and it's going to get that foliar product into the leaf really, really quickly. It's going to stop any deficiencies. So if you've got any issues within the plant and you're using a foliar spray, always use Transport as your wetting agent. You can then spray with the lights on, and it's going to get the product into the plants twice as quick as any other wetting agent on the market. Let me introduce EVIOS from Optic Foliar. It's a relatively new product. It's a bug spray. It's a non-oil based bug spray. And what you do with this, you mix it in 10 ml per litre with 7.5 ml of transport. Dilute those into a litre spray and just literally spray the plant. The transport you've added to there will allow this product to get into the leaf really quickly, so it's going to prevent any insects from being there. It will kill any ticks on. It will prevent any insects getting onto the plant. Using the transport allows you to spray with the lights on, so you don't have to go in there with the lights off. And again, you don't have to spray underneath the leaf. Because you've used transport, it will penetrate through the leaf, killing any bugs and preventing them forming long term. Optic Foliar has a full range of foliar sprays for every part of the growth of your plant. So you use attack into the late flowering stage of a plant. Mix it with transport so it will be absorbed into the plant really quickly. It's got trace minerals in the product, so basically it stops it from the transition between veg to flower. Really helps the plant to get established and stops any deficiencies in the plant as it grows. So you use the overdrive as you start to veg your plants all the way through to the first few weeks of flower. Then you'll be dropping attack in, and attack foliar spraying all the way up to a couple of days before harvest will keep your plants really vigorous, help the flowering sites and give the plant the minerals it needs to keep growing. Optic Foliar offers you a full range of foliar sprays. What they also allow you to do is start combining different products together with transport to start tweaking how you use a foliar spray regime. Very similar how you would use nutrients. As you use the nutrients, you start to make your own recipes and you start to tweak a little bit. What Optic Foliar does as a foliar manufacturing company, they create two great products. So we create WATS. WATS increases photosynthesis. So basically when your plants are growing, you want to spray WATS onto the plant and that will automatically increase the chlorophyll and it will increase the photosynthesis of the plant, giving it that great start in life, transporting all that light into usable energy for the plant. But when you're using WATS, you're going to get a plant that is growing really quickly and is in big demand of nutrients. Sometimes that plant, when it's a small plant, can't get that from the roots, so you want to be foliar spraying with REV as well. So when you combine WATS, REV and transport, you're increasing the photosynthesis of a plant, how much light it can uptake, but because you're increasing the amount of uptake it's getting on the plant, you also need to have REVs. REVs has macro and micronutrients and 21 different vitamins and amino acids to help feed the plant. So when the plant's in full growth, when it's really flying, you're adding WATS to increase the photosynthesis, you're adding transport to get it into the leaf as quick as possible, so it's a lights on spray, and then you're adding REVs in there to feed the plant because it wants so much more nutrient. You might as well feed it through the foliar spray as you're doing it. So when you're using WATS, WATS is going to increase the light uptake, REV is going to feed the plant through the leaf, and transport is going to put those two together and get it into the plant with lights on and not going to damage your plant at all. So it's a great little combination of products that you can tweak as you grow. So that's it for Optic Foliar. A full range of foliar sprays that you can tweak and change as you like. You've got Overgrow, a great all-in-one spray, used up to about 6 weeks of flower. You've got Switch, which you use for the first couple of weeks of flower, stops your plants creating seeds and really tricks it into getting all the flower sites growing and also reducing the nodes. You use transport in all these products to get the product into the leaf while lights are on. It opens up the pores of a plant, gets it into the leaf and then closes the leaf back up so there's no burning. Then you've got EVOS, which is a great pesticide, so it's going to spray on your plant, stop you getting bugs and stuff like that. It's a great little product used with transport. Then you've got Attack, where you use as a foliar spray in your bloom stage. Then you've got your WATS and your REV combined with transport, and you get a great product there. Increase your light photosynthesis and also feed your plant directly through the leaf. All the information for these products are on our website. We're on the Optic Foliar website. There's some great videos to watch on there as well. You've got a full combination of foliar sprays here. So use your nutrient schedule through your water tank, directly feeding your roots, and use Optic Foliar to get the best results from your plant by far. That's it for Optic Foliar. Cheers guys.